What's up guys? Welcome to the shop. Something a little different today because, the world is a little bit different recently. Like a lot of you, we've been doing the responsible thing and social distancing. It's been a couple weeks now, I think. Feels like about a month, but a couple weeks. And just wanted to try something new. I have some projects that I'm working on normal videos for, but I kind of just want to do something a little bit different. So I'm gonna try some shorter videos, a little bit less edited, kind of more vlog-like, just to show you what I'm up to in the shop on a day-to-day basis. To start with, I have a bit of an issue, and I don't know if you could see, but my shop is an absolute disaster. My shop is also our garage, and as we've been home, we've been using the bikes, toys, yard work, and things like that, so they've taken over the shop completely. So today is cleaning day. Yes, this is a toilet. Don't judge me. That is so much better. Everything is nearly clean. I like the bench being on this side too. It just seems to be more comfortable behind the bench rather than sort of like leaning in front of it. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this, and maybe we'll see you tomorrow or the next day or a couple times this week. Thanks for watching.